This guide provides a step-by-step walkthrough on running an authenticated web scan using Authorlab. Follow the instructions below to configure the scan settings, add URLs and domains, and authenticate with login credentials. Click on the menu icon on the left. Navigate to the scanning section in the menu. Click on the New Scan option. Choose the Web App option from the available scan types. Click Continue to proceed. Specify the target URLs or domains. You can enter multiple URLs or domains by entering each on a new line. Click on the Continue button to move forward. Select the Full Web Scan option. Click Continue to proceed. This section allows you to configure optional advanced scan settings such as the QPS to set the maximum number of queries per second. You can set a proxy and a filter URL regex. Click on the Continue button to proceed to set the scan credentials. This step allows you to select one or more predefined test credentials or add new ones. Test credentials increase the coverage of the dynamic analysis. To add test credentials, select the Test Credentials option. The supported credential types include login and password, basic authentication, custom credentials for custom form fields like username, password and domain name, script which allows you to upload a Puppeteer script. This can be very useful to enable complex authentication flows or complex interactions like checkout. Lastly, you can also add a certificate. For example, to add a login and password, select the Login and Password option from the Test Credentials menu. Enter the login, password, and the URL. The test credential is then added to the scan once you click Submit. Click on the Submit button to create the scan. The web scan will be created. You can click Show in the alert to go to the list of scans. In this guide, you learned how to run an authenticated web scan using Authorlab. The instructions covered configuring the scan settings, adding URLs and domains, and authenticating with login credentials. By following these steps, you can ensure a thorough and secure web scan for your applications.